Before we start the weekly construction meeting, let me greet you a pleasant good afternoon. Welcome to our construction management meeting number 70, as cutoff dated September 10th to 16, 2020. Furthermore, let me inform you that any comments or additional matter we'll discuss afterwards this video presentation. First, we bring you the update photos of building exterior. On the left screen, shown the facing at Saw and Connecticut Street. And the other side, the elevation of Connecticut Street and Florida Street. For site accomplishment, dated September 10 to 16, 2020. As this week, there are no activities on concreting works due to work stoppage. Once lifted the work order, the concrete preparation is 15-floor suspended slab and 17-floor elevator shear wall. Architectural works. Masonry. Activities for this week are construction of elevator shear wall at basement 3, basement 2, basement 1, ground floor and mezzanine. Installation of non-skid tiles at ground floor to second floor. Plastering of elevator shear wall and telecom rooms at second floor. CHB laying and plastering of stair 1 and CR at third floor. Progress photos for architectural works. Construction of elevator shear wall at basement 2 and 3. Progress photos for architectural works. Construction of elevator shear wall at second floor, and plastering of telecom rooms at second floor. Now we proceed on MEPS works. First, for the electrical works, the activities for this week are roughing installation at CHB area. For preparation next week, which is highlighted color red, is the 14th floor phase 1. And the ongoing roughing installation at basement 3, basement 1, ground floor, 4th floor, 5th floor, 6th floor and 7th floor. The progress photograph shown the roughing installation for power, lighting and auxiliary system at 4th and 5th floor near stair 2. Next photograph shown the roughing installation for power, lighting and auxiliary system at 6th and 7th floor near stair 2. And then, roughing installation for power system at basement 1 elevator lobby and lift lobby. And then, roughing installation for power system at mezzanine floor and basement 3 lift lobby. Lastly, roughing installation for power and auxiliary system at ground floor admin room. For plumbing works, the accomplishment for this week is the installation of pipe for sewer line, ventilation, FCU drain and riser. The preparation for next week is the 14th floor phase 1 showing the highlighted red. The highlighted color yellow is the ongoing installation at basement 4, ground floor, mezzanine floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor, 5th floor, 8th floor and 9th floor. For the progress photograph of plumbing works, the ongoing installation of FCU drain at 9th floor level. Next photograph of plumbing works, the ongoing installation of FCU drain at 8th floor level. And then, ongoing installation of sewer line and vent pipe toilet area at 5th floor level. Next, ongoing installation of sewer line and vent pipe toilet area at 4th floor level. Next, ongoing installation of sewer line and vent pipe toilet area at 3rd floor level. Next, ongoing installation of sewer line and vent pipe toilet area at 2nd floor level. Next, ongoing installation of sewer line and vent pipe toilet area at mezzanine floor level. Lastly, ongoing installation of riser at basement 4 level. For fire protection works, the accomplishment for this week is the installation of branch lines, cross mains and risers. The preparation works is the highlighted color red, which is 14th floor phase 1, for the ongoing installation, which is color yellow, is the basement levels, mezzanine floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, and 4th floor level. For the progress photograph of fire protection works shown the installation of mechanical T at 4th floor level. Next photograph is the installation of wet stand put from mezzanine to 4th floor level stair 2. Lastly, is the installation of isolation valve at basement 4 to basement 2. For mechanical works, the preparation for next week is the pipe sleeving at 14th floor phase 1. No activities for the structural works, in relation of work stoppage. Structural preparation works, 17th floor shear wall 1, 15th floor slab at phase 1, and 14th floor columns at phase 2 and 3. Architectural preparation works, construction of elevator shear wall at basement 1, ground floor, and mezzanine floor. Installation of non-skid tiles at ground floor to 2nd floor, rebar works for elevator precast at 3rd floor, and CHB laying stair 1 and 3rd floor. For MEPS works, The target or preparation for September 17 to September 23, 2020 is 14th floor Phase 1, or in actual concreting is the 15th floor Phase 1. For project schedule and percentage accomplishment as of September 10 to 16, 2020. For milestone accomplishment, there are no updates to date. For construction schedule, the update construction days elapsed as cutoff dated September 10 to 16, 2020 is 559 days, or equivalent to 47.09%. The construction day remaining is 628 days, or 52.91%. The schedule for general requirements is 3.64% compared to actual percentage of 7.74%. For C, S, A, it's of 29.12% on schedule accomplishment, while the actual percent is resulting of 28.30%. We called the attention for architectural works to fast-track their work to dominance the number of days. In M, E, P, F, the accomplishment is behind on required schedule because the result of actual is lower compared to schedule accomplishment. The schedule accomplishment is 5.70% while the actual is 0.59%. In overall accomplishment, the result of schedule compared to actual is negative 1.82%, or equivalent number of days of 21 days. Manpower loading. Highest manpower was last Wednesday, September 16, 2020, at 287. For concreting works, there is no accomplishment this week, due to work stoppage. For accomplishment report for architectural works as of September 16, 2020. First, I discuss the scope of work, and accomplishment. For masonry, for this week, it gained 302% with total percent of 50%. Next is the floor finishes. For this week, it's achieved 0.47% with total percent of 17.84%. Then, wall finishes. This week, it got 0.16% with total percent of 4.34%. Next, ceiling finishes have 0.02% this week and total percentage of 5.04%. Next is the metalworks. This week the accomplishment is 0.59% and total accumulated of 1.31%. Rest scope have no accomplishment. For structural schedule, the target schedule of concreting, where lift the work order, is the 15th floor Phase 1 and 17th floor elevator shear wall. Look ahead reports for concreting and glass installation target September 17 to 30, 2020. This look ahead is depend on the release of lifting work order. For 1 week target is the 14th floor columns, Phase 2 and 3. Next, 17th floor elevator shear wall 1. Next is the 17th floor elevator shear wall 2. Then, 18th floor slab lobby. Lastly, 15th floor suspended slab, Phase 1. For 2 weeks target, 14th floor precast. Then, 15th floor suspended slab, Phase 2 and 3. Next, 18th floor elevator shear wall 1. Lastly, 15th floor columns, Phase 1. Now, we proceed on glass installation. For 1 week, 10th floor EDSA portion. For Connecticut side, in 1 week target, 9 and 10 floor glass. Then, 4 and down to 3rd floor ventilation louver. For 2 weeks at Connecticut side, 3rd and down to 2nd floor ventilation louver. Now, we proceed on Florida side. In 1 week target is the 9th floor glass. Then, 5th and down to 4th floor ventilation louver. In 2 weeks target, 3rd down to 2nd floor ventilation louver. Lastly, for glass installation is the 10th floor glass. This is the end of our weekly look ahead presentation. Thank you. For meeting agenda. Construction issue. Letter A, lifting work order. Letter B, result of work stoppage with 15 calendar days are concreting works of 15th floor and 17th floor elevator shear wall. Glass installation at 10th floor. Construction materials deliveries. Letter C, architectural works. For fast track of activities on masonry works. Balance at basement levels, pipe chase area. We call the attention of MEC trade contractors to complete the installation of pipe risers to close out the said works. Mezzanine floor with balance, September 5, 2020. Second floor with balance, September 14, 2020. Third floor completion date September 30, 2020. Water tightness. Turnover punch windows area, mezzanine to 7th floor to airlow. Exterior sealant works. Painting works. Painting accomplishment. Letter D, MEC works. Note: for acceleration of work. Installation of horizontal and riser pipes, sewer and water line, ground to 10th floor. Installation of cross main and branch line for fire protection, ground to 10th floor. Number 2. For material submittal. Sample board materials for trade contractors, this is to follow up to NGCB. Number 3. Follow up for owner special trade contractor. IEEI elevator, note: these are several follow-up. Method of statement. IEEI IRCON. For reconciliation based on issued revised design. NEMA substation. Setting up plan of LVSG. Number 4. RFI and RFA for followed up, JSLA. Setting up plan of IEEI, Genset. Shop drawing of LVSG from U2. Number 5. Other matters. A. Confirmation of ERV and plan for IEEI, letter of credit or LC requirement. Requesting to JSLA. This is the end of our weekly presentation. Thank you and God bless.